Okay, here we are doing a problem from chapter 3. It's super exciting. We're going to have some log rules and taking the natural log of both sides just to figure out how to find the derivative of this problem. Okay, so we're going to solve it by taking the natural log of both sides. So we're going to start with step 1. We're going to put natural log of y, absolute value, is equal to the natural log of cosine x raised to the x power. Absolute value sign. Don't forget the absolute value. Now, due to the rules of logs, we can simplify and move this x in front of the natural log to make things easier. So the next step, step number 2, this over here doesn't change too much. We're going to save that for later. We're going to move this x here, natural log of cosine x all by itself. Okay, so now we need to differentiate both sides, find the derivatives, and keep solving. So we're going to go to step 3. We're going to put d over dx all in natural log of y is equal to d over dx all in the x natural log of cosine x. Okay, so now, we're going to do the derivative. So let's take this side first. The derivative of natural log of y is just going to be 1 over, let's do step 4, 1 over y, dy dx. So that side is done. We're all set with that one. Now, this right here is the product rule, because we have two things we're multiplying. So we're going to have to do product rule. So we're going to do the derivative of the first. So it's just going to be 1 because it's x, multiplied by just the regular second. So we have natural log of cosine plus the first one, so x, and now the derivative of the second. Natural log cosine of x, the derivative of that is just going to be 1 over cosine of x, times, we can't forget our chain rule, we have to do the derivative of the inside of this, which is going to be negative sine of x. Okay, so now we have some simplifying to do and moving the y and multiplying and all that jazz just to finish this up. So what we're going to do first is we're going to multiply everything by a y. So we're going to multiply by y over y. Well, let's just multiply by y. And that's going to get rid of this baby. So now we're going to have a y on this side because we need to solve for dy dx. So we have step 5. We got rid of this y over here because we multiplied by a y. So now we have the y, we're going to multiply it by the 1, so it's just going to be y by itself. And then we have our the rest of it. So we have our natural log of cosine x plus, now over here we have, if we multiply these two together, we get a negative sine x over cosine x, which is also equal to our negative tangent. Okay, so we're going to simplify that and we're going to bring it down here. So we have x, and then we have our negative tangent right here. Those are multiplied by each other because we didn't subtract or add, we just multiply. So now up here at the top we have what our y is equal to. So now we're going to replace our y down here with the y up there. So step number 6, we have dy dx is equal to cosine x to the x power. And then we have our natural log of cosine x. Now we're going to all we're going to do is we're going to change the negative here to put it in front, which is because we're multiplying the two. So it's going to be x times tangent of x. But since we have that negative sign, we're going to put it in front. We're going to go minus x tangent of x. And that is our answer. Thanks for watching.